Hi guys. Danilio, привет. Привет, всем привет. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today I'm inviting you guys with me on the waterfall. And I've been feeling kind of sick, yeah, a little bit, because you remember, guys, what happened with me on the road to Portland. Yeah, and I still feel quite sick. So we went to the lagoon already. So guys, the lagoon vlog will come up on Life with the Stevens here. So if you want to see how was the trip, yeah, go on Life with the Stevens, our family channel, and you can see how was it. It was amazing, trust me. And today I decided to did my own vlog where I'm gonna show you guys things from my point of view, okay? Yeah, but honestly, I don't really feel good, you know. You see, road can mash up people. Yeah, highway, indeed. Indeed. See the corner store? And Arrogant dear with the youth here. We part today with one tour guide. Yeah, because it's much more better to, you know, part with a local person, because that way you can find more beautiful places. Yeah, they know the place. So yeah, like 5 of us on the road. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is my thing. This is what I travel with. Can't forget it.
Maybe that's why. Jamaica, you must have the same mindset. You must have the same mindset. Plus party and girl and the excitement and some people. Well, Portland people cool, still not cool, but them little things, really big things. You got over this up the other day? Actually, shot them over there. Right, young one out there in the corner and the corner and the corner. Everybody, I want. Well, I come from the community. Yeah, no, I don't really come from the community. I just stay in the community. Everybody has already not the remote. Go. Okay. And some people still have the.
See guys, castle. Next castle. More castle. Watch out, next castle. Watch out. Not castles. The view is nice. Wow. View is awesome. You can come here. The Blue Lagoon and Frenchman's Cove, those are the only places where people can actually swim. Other than the rest of seawater, no? Olipa Beach? Yeah. Olip. Oh. Yeah. And it's free, right? Entrance is free.
Okay.
Oh, Sansan come out in James Bond movies, right?
I think them that stay in a Blue Lagoon. And Alligator Head. But I think one part of the jetty that are one local beach, private, one part of there, so in the movie. And the place then again, we call it for the beer in the Poland. Herald Flynn Marina, that Herald Flynn, them we own the land for them marina. For him marina. Herald Flynn was the man who worked by Marley for the music? I know, sir. Herald Flynn, I think he is a upcap. Western music, yeah. Oh. So, Herald Flynn Marina, and they have one boat over there because it's like one place where people go dock up with them big. Yeah. So he actually make a part of the movie in there.
Leo, din mask ko. Come, put on your mask.
Mama, где anybody?
Сейчас увидишь всех. Yeah, guys.
Okay.
Nanny's sleeping.
What's up at the place? What's the first
Good to go. Leo.
Biggies are shame. Biggies are shame.
Ah, thank you.
Whoa, this is going down in the road.
Then go.
Wow, look at this, guys. Reach waterfalls. Leo, Leo. Yeah, go.
At the falls, Danny. Big falls.
I love it here. I really love it here, guys. I look good. Huh?
Come here.
Watch out. Woo! See? Fish ate. So guys, just stopped to get some food. Oh, they have mini shop. What you saying? I want to check. So guys, this is a Jamaican bar with hot girls pan it. Watch out, them hot like fire door. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
What's your boy, Mama?
Yes, man.
Mama,
Here, so just there. Era, watch the baby. Oh, this is a corner store. See, guys, this is a Jamaican corner store. You can get some things here.
You don't know saying you're a boy favor. Alright, let me see.
So menu today. So what you gonna get?
Me get you one fried chicken with breast, okay?
Yeah. What about you?
One fried chicken with leg and wing.
Leg and wing. Denny. And this there.
Yeah, then I'm gonna get the juice for you. Wait. See if I can get to this.
You want a juice?
Mama, and film them.
Yeah? You like dog? You don't want to kick again?
Daniel, come here, Daniel.
Yeah.
Leo is telling the lady how he was feeding the fish with the popcorn.
And she jumped off.
Yeah, the fish. They feed the fish in the water.
Yeah. The cat is ran away.
Yeah? Where is it?
He just went down and go jump off and down. Let's go down.
The cat's shy. Oh.
Come in, Danny.
Yeah.
See the chicken?
Yeah.
Come here.
Leo, Leo.
Let's go.
Daddy, I see the chicken.
So got fried chicken,
What's up, Danny, Saggy?
rice and peas. Don't close me. Rice and peas and salad. Well hot too. Leo, you want some chicken and rice and peas? Cheese. Leo. Here we're gonna buy apples, pineapple, a pineapple too, banana here. So fruit stuff, fruit stuff, fruit shop.
Remember, say no.
Spasiba.
This are yours. One of these are mine.
Mine?
The one of yours.
Alright.
And me this.
Alright.
Yeah, but
Яблоко? What is it? Yeah? Yeah?
You know what I'm white?
You know
White.
why I'm white? Cause I'm white. Oh, oh, they don't want to hear they are white? They are brown?
Yeah,
Yo, proud of my pale skin, no news wrong. God made me look that way. So I'm not trying to pretend. I'm not trying to pretend. Proudly carrying my skin tone. Okay, guys. Yeah. Alright. Look like I need to plait my hair. Yeah. I tell people I'm brown. Mix. Mix. No, Errol. No, man. Good. Good. Honestly, I plait my hair one time and 2 days after I take it off. So it's kind of weird. So hot. Especially in Jamaica. Hot. Only one struggle I have here in Jamaica, I can't find my skin tone cream, the foundation. Just the other day I tried, nowhere I could get it. Even Fontana, I went to the biggest pharmacy, they never had my skin tone, so I definitely have to carry it from Russia when I go. The foundation cream, you know, Errol? Yeah, I bought one and still I look like, I don't know. Yeah, probably have to order online, but struggle is real though. Yeah, guys, we're going back. Going back. Вкусно, Leo? the guy who around the place. American guy lives in Portland since 90 something. Alright guys, we're here in the place. Yeah, came back. It was an amazing day, by the way. I really love. Yeah, Blue Lagoon looks nice though, and Rich Falls. Love them too. Yeah, guys. So we have some plans. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna get ready, and what we're gonna do, you can watch it on our family channel. Yeah. Friend of us talking on me teeth though. The most uncomfortable feeling. Alright guys, so guys, take care, like, subscribe and share as usual. I hope you guys enjoyed the road with us, because we're on the place. Alright, bye.